Welcome back to Amazon Sambhav India. And this festive season, many innovative startups benefited from the greater visibility accorded by the Amazon Launchpad program. This program is designed to help entrepreneurs increase their brand awareness and accelerate their businesses.
With an aim to return to roots and a healthier way of life, the Indus Valley specializes in cast iron cookware. The brand has seen growth ever since registering on the Amazon Launchpad program. Besides providing better visibility, Amazon also takes care of delivery of the heavy cookware to different corners of the country.
We make natural cookware products. We make products like tawa, kadai, skillets, frying pans, spatulas. So the idea behind the company where we started, it was from a personal incident. We reheated some leftover potatoes in a plastic container. So the plastic container kind of melted when we took it out from the oven. And we went on a personal journey to change the utensils. And we decided to start a company in this natural cookware and kitchenware space. So initial couple of years of our business, we did not know which products will do well and also the channel of operations. So one major challenge we found was when we were operating in the offline space, we were supplying the products to stores, but getting the cash flow from them was a major problem. It was a major credit-based business. So it used to take even up to 6 months to recover the money. And that's when we decided online is a more secure platform for us. We are a part of Amazon's Launchpad, as well as we have support from their account management team. So Amazon has continuously helped us in improving our listing quality, improving our inventory, supply chain, and improving our product and operation. Overall, it is beneficial both to us as a seller on the platform and also in providing a consistent and good experience to the customers as well. A lot of challenges we have faced, and Amazon has also helped us in multiple places. So one is to ensure that we ship the products to customers on time and getting the products delivered on time. So that is something Amazon has worked with us closely, and we have also started to understand that we have to deliver the promises that we give to the customer, and we ensure all the products are packed carefully, all the products are made carefully to ensure that there are no damages and the quality of product is maintained. Amazon makes payments to us on time. There is a lot of transparency in terms of how they operate. So that's something that we as a seller are assured of when we are in business with Amazon. So Amazon has a huge customer base to which we can showcase our products. So increasing the visibility and reaching out to the customers was a major advantage that we had with listing on Amazon India business. The Great Indian Festival for the past 4 years have always been a period where we as a company grow, and overall also we have seen a very good increase in the number of orders that we are receiving. We are expecting 50 to 60% increase in order inflow during this Great Indian Festival sale. Thank you for coming to India and working with sellers like us. It has been a very good experience. So it has been a very good experience working with Amazon for the past previous years. So we look forward to growing ahead with Amazon.